Guys, it's now 10 much minutes after 10, and we're going to try and set up this bed. This is how the room is currently looking, guys. See? So we're gonna try to fix the bed and show you guys. Okay, so me and them looking. So guys, this is our current mattress right here, but we're gonna get a new one soon. But we just try to fix up the bed frame right now. See the in the box. I'm tired, babe. But come, you're not straight. Your phone in me. All right.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a...
Guys, so we reached this far.
Yeah, can give them some of that tea.
See?
If you have a husband who can do them something, you hear me? Have a man who can set up the bed, fix the plumbing, fix the toilet,
Watch out.
and the drains. You see me? They don't bother sit down for this with a big heavy body. Because like the body they fought.
Alright, me not sit down on it then. You heard something else, you know that?
The body they weigh 100 pounds.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never show where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps were the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce.
You cannot reach one.
Guys, I'm tired. I've been working from, I told you guys about the next video. I'm so tired. Me have to screw up all like something them.
Who for the one?
Me have to screw up with something them. And I find which could go with me alone by myself.
Yo! You know me? You see? True word. Old people never lie.
See we'll reach here.
Hey, come. Maybe don't screw one boat and...
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My all the time.
Babe, fix your cover up your foot. Nice. Guys, Jessie did us a stress out. Oh my god, she's so tired. Come, give me a kiss. Alright. Like, it is coming along, guys. It is really, guys, it's not hard to do, but it's tiring. Like, my back I broke off everything. So, this is how far we reach actually right now. So, we updating on reach like a further exit. Alright, guys. So, this is the end product of everything from us. Yeah, I don't know if you like that bed here. We actually got it from Amazon and it wasn't too much for the custom fee to clear it. And yeah, babe, you talk to them now. So baby, she mash right down like a mashed potato. Baby,
Hi guys, so
juice.
this is the finished product. I love it so much. And I did told you before. Really gonna say baby so strong.
Let's go put on this mattress here.
Hi guys. What? Why? Morning guys. So it's now 10:04 and today's this Thursday the 5th and we just woke up. So we went to on the road to do some stuff. Babe, I think we'll go sleep. I try to fix the bed. Look at it, guys. It's so cute. I love it. And you know I'm gonna have pink sheets.
Yeah, I have it like this. And the white too, yeah.
So we're gonna go on the road today
to try and sort out some car business because we don't have a car right now because we did sell the car.
Because your girl can't drive, so no, you have to fix this. You have to fix your ear.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. No. So I don't know if I can vlog while I'm on the road because it's going to be so hot and chaotic. Jeez and peas. I don't know how. Oh, it's funny about this one. I don't know how.
It's not hot and hopefully it doesn't rain too much.
Babe, I left my umbrella at work, so I have my umbrella now. So yeah, that's about it. What we're gonna do today. So I'll try and vlog to show you guys, but I don't know how that's going to go. So we have to see today.
Morning, guys. Finally I'm here with my munchkin. Oh my god.
Babe, guys, look how fat.
You feel so soft right now.
So we're currently at a car mart, getting a new car, and Tarek is over there. Over this side. See him there? I'm showing him. Babe, see them and tell you hi.
Hi, we have to them today. I get a coupe. Can coupe, yo guys, they get on coupe, you know, we just take taxi come here, so. You know, so we used to them shit yesterday, because we never, it's me.
You used to that? You're not used to it, give me my phone.
Baby, me have in the past, and taxi me always take before me have car. Jump on a bus there, they feel good still.
Go on. Let me talk to them, yeah.
You talk to them?
Yes.
Yeah, I try your people.
Well, let me say about you.
They're gonna kill me, call?
So, we should show you the car and everything. We should show you guys the car. So, I'll come back to you when we're inside and everything. I will reach out my show because we're hot. So, this is my new car. I feel weird over this side. It's left and right. It feels so weird to be over here, but we're here. There's my baby. We're getting the gas. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to be home. I'm tired. I feel like I've been on the road from how long now?
Look at that.
So we're here. I think we're gonna go to his friend's house to park this car until tomorrow. Because there's no place.
Hey guys, we couldn't find the gas something. But he was right there.
Him couldn't find the gas something. I don't know. You get money? Okay.
Then I get used to it when I think of me, I understand and I feel for me. How me call it?
She put in it?
Yeah.
Why you not tell me Kyle if you drive? Yeah, move on.
When they?
Go on this one. In a park.
I'm chill.
Oh, we can.
It's what I know.
No. Look where you are doing. Oh my God. Guys, we're over at his friend's house. Because we're gonna leave the car here because it doesn't have any plates. So we don't want a problem with the police right now. So his friend is gonna bring us home, and then we'll finalize everything tomorrow. Then we'll officially have the car tomorrow. And then I have 2 weeks vacation, so I'm gonna be home with you guys so I can edit. And my baby got me some guys. I can't even show them. Like, I love him so much. Like, guys, it would like he just knows what to get for me. You know what to get for me. Literally, clothes, shoes, everything. Literally know what to get.
Girl, no knock it good, brother.
We are called girl, babe. So, like, literally, he knows exactly what to get me. When you say that? Clothes, shoes, everything, slippers, everything. And listen, better believe, say, in my match my slippers them with my bag and everything, I match outfit, everything. Oh yeah, I can't wait to show you guys, but I'll catch you guys out when we get home. See, babe, to everybody. Tell them hi.
Wait.
Guys, these are matching shoes. Look.